Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to change out a light bulb on a 2004 Chrysler Town & Country van. This procedure is basically the same for a lot of Chrysler and Dodge vehicles. First thing you want to do, you want to remove these three bolts here. Okay, and it's going to be an 8mm socket. Loosen them all up. Once they get loose enough, we can just take them all out and set them aside in a safe place. You can see the light housing starting to move. And then we're going to carefully remove the light housing just like that. And you can see this is your connector right there. That will loosen here. This part here gives you access to these clips, which are right there. So I'll lift those clips up and pull out the bulb. Just like that. Okay. Then we're going to remove the bulb. I just have to set the camera down for this. Okay, so here's the bulb that's removed. I'm going to set that aside. And we're going to get your new bulb. And here's the new one here. Okay, same thing. We're going to set the camera down for a minute. We're going to put the bulb into the connector and then insert that into the housing. Okay, so the bulb is in the housing here, or the connector, and that's going to insert into there. It has to fit a certain way. Once that's tight in there, then this piece here, you want to make sure those clips are in and then turn it. So that's going to move and lock that in like that. And that's nice and tight. So once you have that, I'm going to take the whole housing and I'm going to slide that back in. Just like that. And take your one screw. I'm going to start it finger tighten. Second one. And then the third one. And switch your ratchet to tightening. I'm going to tighten all three up. And that's a basic procedure for replacing a light bulb. Driver's side is the same way. I'm going to follow the same procedures. Make sure the car's off, the switch is off. You don't want to risk shorting something out or shocking yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. And as always, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care.